Hello adventurers, welcome back to the channel. I'm Sawyer.
And I'm Danny.
Together we are
McPeek Adventures.
Danny, where are we today?
We are standing in front of the Cave House, which is in Tulsa, Oklahoma.
This thing looks incredible and we've had so many people ask us when we were gonna come here to check out a video. So today is the day.
Today's the day.
We are here and we are ready to go adventuring in the Cave House.
Let's go!
As we mentioned, this is an experience we've been recommended many times, so it was finally time to go for it. The Cave House is located just outside of downtown Tulsa, and it is fairly easy to get to and easy to park. When we arrived, we obviously had to marvel at the uniqueness of this place. It's nothing like we have ever seen.
Are you Linda?
I am.
Okay, nice to meet you. Oh, cool.
Oh, wow.
I love that. That's my favorite word.
If you'd like to check this place out for yourself, call Linda. She is the current owner of the Cave House. And you can book your tour and learn all about this quirky place's history. Her phone number will be down in the description. As of this recording, tickets are $15 per adult and $7.50 per child under 12 years old. The first part of our experience was hearing some history and stories that happened here. Linda is quite the amazing storyteller. Something we learned was that this place has had several owners and they all have interesting stories about themselves. In addition, it was also a restaurant with a secret speakeasy during the Prohibition era.
Oh, these door frames are interesting.
Oh, wow. Here we go up the stairs.
Yeah, these stairs are wild.
I know. She called them drunkard stairs or drunk stairs. But this is the tallest step.
Very
Here we
narrow
go.
and very tall.
Here we go.
And the wall is lined with painted Walmart sacks. Holy cow.
Unfortunately, the tunnels that once led to the speakeasy are now collapsed, so that part is not accessible on the tour, but you can venture into the side room, kitchen, go up the stairs, see the one bedroom in the upstairs, slide down a slide, and see out from the upstairs windows. If you've been watching our videos for a while, you all know that we don't like to give it all away. So we do highly suggest booking a tour to see the Cave House.
This really is a magical place. It has the perfect blend of mystery and fantasy, and as you walk through the upstairs, it even seems to convert itself into a treehouse.
Oh, I got
I'm just so big.
Yeah, you did it.
I don't know that I've ever been in a house quite like this. Every single room made me feel like I was in a book.
All of the stories we heard tie into the whimsical decor covering every single inch of this house. We hope you'll stop by and experience it for yourselves.
I give everybody a shiny penny and ask them to make a wish and throw it in. All right, make your wish.
Good job. Oh, sorry. Don't watch my head everywhere through here.
Yeah, you do.
It's crazy. I always want to slide inside. And we had the secret trapdoor of wishes there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, rolls of pennies. Did you see that?
Probably it for the wishes.
Yeah.
All right, going back down.
I can't believe the wall is made of painted Walmart sacks.
She had to do what she had to do.
I know. But it holds better than paint. You have the frame there around the window.
Okay, here we go. Slow and steady.
Oh, this is the bathroom? All right. Got these handles here. These stairs are wild. Just try to make sure they don't come barreling down. That staircase is a doozy. Behind this fireplace lies the stories of the past. And even though the area can no longer be explored, the cave house adds to its rich history every day. Adventurers, this concludes our time here at the Cave House.
If you enjoyed this adventure and want to see more of our videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel where you will see a new video every single week. And also head over to Facebook and Instagram and follow McPeek Adventures there as well.
We'll see you on our next adventure.